Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to watch another video of mine. My name is April. If this is your first time here, I'd like you to please subscribe if you haven't. I'm right there somewhere down there. I know that if you're watching this video, you're watching for one reason. And the reason is to find out how you can connect your Canon computer to your computer and use it as a monitor like I'm doing. And monitors can be quite expensive. One of the cheapest monitors at Walmart and Best Buy, I believe, is not under $70. So after buying a camera and buying equipment and microphone, the last thing you want to worry about is buying an expensive monitor, because I struggle to find a way to make this work for myself because I do have the macOS Sierra, and a lot of tutorials on YouTube, although they were really helpful, they were not really helping me out because a lot of people that were using the method that's on YouTube probably didn't have Mac OS Sierra. Just to put this out there, if you have the Mac OS Sierra, you cannot do this just by going to the Canon website and going to the EOS utility. I don't care what anyone's telling you here on YouTube, if you do have iOS Sierra, it's literally impossible. You do have to follow the steps that I will talk about in this video. I was getting frustrated. Like literally every video I found seemed like they figured it out, but I tried it and it didn't work for me. So I decided to give Canon a phone call, and this phone call literally saved my life. After I called Canon, like magic, it worked, and that's what I'm using to actually film this video right now. Canon actually told me while I was talking to them, the representative that I spoke to, he said that a lot of people get frustrated and feel like Canon is, playing them or whatnot, but they've actually spoken to Apple and try to get Apple to help them find a solution to this, but they haven't been able to do that. So I decided to make this video to cut down the process so you guys don't have to call Canon and wait in line for customer service. I decided to make a video to help you guys out. So the first part of the tutorial will be of me explaining to you guys what to do, but as you go on and on into the video, you're gonna see the agent takes over, so you're gonna hear everything about the phone call. Basically, I'm just giving you guys secrets here, okay? So you're gonna hear everything about my conversation with the Canon representative, and yeah, I think that's all you guys need to know. Alright, without further ado, let's jump into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. So the first thing you want to do is click on the Apple sign right here, and you're going to go to System Preferences. The next thing you want to do is go down here where it says Users and Groups and click on that. Now it's showing my name right here, and then what you want to do is you're going to go down here to this lock button. You're going to click on it because you have to click on it to make any changes on this page. So you click on that. It's going to prompt you to enter your password. Go ahead and enter your password. Cool. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on this plus sign at the bottom left right here. First thing you want to do on this page is you're going to go up here where it says standard. You're going to click on administrator, and right here you can enter your full name, and then you're going to go right here, and I'll create something you can easily remember. Information pops up, you can try a different name, but on the account name I chose Temp Canon, which is what the representative told me to do, so you can do that as well, just so it's something you can easily remember. Oh my god, I can't freaking spell. Temp Canon. And then you're going to create a password and create a hint just in case you can't remember. Now I'm going to click cancel just because I've done this before, and the account that I created was the Temp Canon right here. And then once you do that, you can click that lock to make the changes that you want, and then you're going to go back up here and you're going to log out of your administrator account. It's going to ask you, are you sure? Of course I'm sure. And this is where you're going to follow the instructions of the Canon representative.
Does it show the temp account you created?
Yeah, it's just about to log me into the temp account.
Okay. It's going to have to build it, so it may take a few minutes for it to
Oh yeah.
finish.
Alright, now it shows data and privacy. Continue.
Yeah, it's just like starting a computer up for the first time, so
okay.
it'll walk you through that.
Or can I just sign in without using my Apple ID? Or actually, I think it needs me to sign in with it. Never mind.
I think you have to.
Yeah.
I don't think it gives you much of a choice.
Okay, now I'm in the home page.
Alright, so we need to download from the website again, so you have to go back to the site.
And any browser is fine?
Yeah, any browser.
Google Chrome. Canon. Is it Canon USA? I think. I don't know.
USA.canon.
USA.canon. Found it. Alright, now I'm on the site.
Do you see drivers and downloads?
At the top, yes. Just clicked on it.
Alright, and then you see where it says EOS Rebel and a picture of a camera?
Yes.
Look for 60D. Okay?
Yes. Clicked on it. There's two of them. There's 60DA and 60D.
It's just the 60D.
Okay.
Choose drivers and downloads. Click that gray box that says drivers and downloads.
Okay. Now it shows software, firmware, utilities.
It would be under software, and it should already be in red.
Yeah, it's already in red. And it shows the picture style editor, digital photo professional, EOS utility.
What version of EOS utility?
2.14.31a for macOS X.
Okay, that's the one you need.
Okay, so select it? Because that's the one I've been trying to use and it wasn't working.
Yeah, it's because of the macOS
Sierra,
wasn't allowing
yeah.
it to install. Just click download. It should be on the far right.
Alright, it's downloading. A few seconds. It has a zip file. I'm gonna click on it. And I'm gonna click on the DMG file.
Mm-hmm.
And now it just shows that CD with the arrow in the center.
Yep, double click that. Open it up.
I hope it opens up because it's not been opening up. Let's see.
I'd be shocked.
Oh, what? I'm shocked. It's open. Oh my god.
Yep.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, we had this problem for a long time, ever since, Mac OS 10.11.
Wow. Okay. So that's crazy. This is the third day. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna call Canon. I've been researching. Like nothing was working. There's so many different things online. And then people are blaming Canon, like saying how you guys need to update your software.
We asked Apple how to fix this, they wouldn't tell us, so
That's
our
funny.
engineers figure out a way to go around them.
That's actually really funny.
Yeah. For a year, we couldn't do any of this.
Oh wow.
Until we figured out what we had to do. We were circumventing their security. If they knew there was a big hole in their security like this, they'd freak.
Almost installed. Would you like to register Canon Image Gateway? What is that gateway? Canon Image Gateway. Okay.
That's a cloud service. It allows you to store images.
Oh no.
20 gigs of storage space.
I think I just got to the end of it.
That's it. The last step in this process is to log out of this account and go back to your main account. Drop the utility into your dock and then get rid of this temporary account.
Okay, I'm in my main account now.
Then you would have to go to Finder and go to Applications and look for the Canon Utilities folder.
Oh, I see it.
You see Canon Utilities?
Yes, just clicked on it.
Then look for the EOS utility, and it's EU2 that you need to drag to your dock.
Okay, the whole entire folder or like something inside the folder?
It's something inside the folder. Just the EOS utility 2 is what you'll need.
Okay, and drag it to my dock. Do you know where the live view mode is under here?
In the utility, it would be camera settings, remote shooting. You won't be able to see it until the camera's plugged in and turned on.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It'll help more people watch this video so it can help them. Also share to your friends or whoever else you might think this video will be helpful to. And yeah, thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.